How to send an email for beginners. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate to your Gmail application. Make sure that you have signed in to your particular account. Now tap Compose icon at bottom right corner of your screen. And then you will land on this section where you simply need to tap on your From section and choose your email address. After that, in the To field, you have to enter the recipient's email address. In case if you have got multiple email address and you want to change your email address, you can easily tap on the arrow next to the From section, and from this menu you can easily choose your right email address. After that, you can easily enter your subject and compose your email by typing any text, or if you want to add any kind of pictures, files, or photos, you can easily tap on the paperclip icon at top right. Then from this menu, you can easily choose whether you want to choose photos from the camera, files, or the drive documents. Once you have added your pictures, you can easily compose your email by typing any text you would like to. And then after done, you need to tap on the send icon at top right corner of your screen. And after that, you will successfully send an email. So I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.